Hi, Raj from ForexBase.com. In this video, I would like to show you how to use Arun indicator in Forex trading. So what is Arun indicator? Arun indicator is a technical analysis indicator used by many Forex traders to find whether the price is trending, whether the price is moving sideways, or the strength of the trend if the price is trending. Arun indicator mainly consists of two lines, Arun upline and Arun downline. This indicator ranges between 0 and 100 like a stochastic oscillator. This is the Arun indicator picture, and you can see the indicator is ranging between 0 and 100. The blue line represents the Arun upline. So in the picture, if you see, the blue line represents the Arun upline and the red line represents the Arun downline. Arun indicator formula. Since Arun indicator is made up of two lines, Arun up and Arun down lines, each line has its own formula. Arun up formula is number of periods minus number of periods since the highest high during that time by number of periods into 100. Arun down formula is number of periods minus number of periods since the lowest low during that time by number of periods into 100. So how to trade Arun indicator? There are many ways to trade using the Arun indicator, and the following are some of the ways. When the Arun upline is above the 70 line, it indicates a strong uptrend. In this picture, you can see the blue line, which is the Arun upline, is above the 70 line, and you can see the strong uptrend. When the Arun down is above the 70 line, it indicates a strong downtrend. In this picture, you can see the red line, which is the Arun down line, is above the 70 line, and it indicates, and you can see the strong downtrend here. When the Arun up and down lines move parallel to each other, it indicates that the price is consolidating. In this picture, you can see the blue line and red line, which are the Arun up line and Arun down line, are moving parallel to each other, and you can see that the price is consolidating here. When the Arun up crossed below the 50 after a long uptrend and it is below the 50 line, it means that the uptrend is weakening. In this picture, you can see that at this point the Arun up is above the 70 line for quite for some time, and after some time it crossed below the 50 line and it is below the 50 line. You can see that the price is consolidating at this point. When the Arun down crossed below the 50 after a long downtrend and it is below the 50 line, it means that the downtrend is weakening. In this picture, you can see that the Arun down line, which is the red line, is above the 70 line for some time, and after some time it moved below the 50 line, and you can see that the downtrend is consolidating here. The downtrend is weakening here. When the Arun up crosses the Arun down line upwards, it indicates that an uptrend might be forming. In this picture, you can see that the blue line crossed the red line upwards. That means the Arun up line crossed the Arun down line upwards, and you can see the uptrend, a strong uptrend has formed. When the Arun down line crosses the Arun up line upwards, it indicates that a downtrend might be forming. In this picture, you can see that the red line has crossed the blue line upwards. That means the Arun down line crossed the Arun up line upwards, and you can see a strong downtrend has formed. The Arun indicator is used by many Forex traders to trade Forex. It is one of the useful indicators, Forex indicators. Visit ForexBase.com for more information on Forex trading.